Alright, so today let me show you how you can download any video of your choice directly from Facebook into your mobile phone. Let's head over to our Facebook application. Let's open our Facebook application. Now let's head over to the video section. Let's click on the video button. Click on the video button here to search for any video. Let's see. Alright, so assuming you want to download this, you wish to download this very video, what do? Click on this share button to your right. Click on the share button and then you go ahead and click on this copy link. Click on copy link. Now the link to the video has been copied, so minimize your phone and then head over to your Zender application. Go to your Zender application and then open your Zender. In the Zender homepage, you will find this button, social. Click on that social button. Click on it and then click on this button here, paste and download. Click on it and immediately the video link will be pasted in the box and it will start analyzing, meaning it's being downloaded. So you can see, just in few seconds, the video has been downloaded. Here's the video. Here's the video. So let's go back to our mobile device and check. Let's open our file. Alright, so you can see the video here. So this is done. Within a minute or two, you can download any video of your choice directly from Facebook into your mobile phone. I guess you've learned something new.